Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to place an OCO order on Thinkorswim. OCO stands for One Cancels Other. Let's use Apple for example. This is not a buy recommendation. Just for demonstration. Let's say we are bullish on Apple and want to buy $155 breakout with $2.50 stop targeting $160. What you do is, right-click on the chart anywhere. Choose Buy Custom, then with OCO bracket. Then you choose Buy Stop, which means, when stock breaks at certain level, you get a fill at market price. In this example we will use $155 for Apple. Then enter $160 for limit, which is our target. Finally choose Stop in case trade doesn't work out and $152.50 for this example. You can also move your stop or target price by clicking and dragging it. Hope you find this video helpful. Click like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.